what are some questions that people should ask you? What are some questions that you should ask an attorney before hiring?
I would say the question should be, why should I hire you to be my lawyer? Not just, can you help me or do I need a lawyer, but why are you the right lawyer for me in this case?
That's a great answer. And I think taking that a little bit farther is, what is your experience relevant to cases like this? And no two cases are the same, but we've done thousands of cases, and if I haven't done a case that's similar to your case at this point, I'm probably not the right lawyer for you. And then I think you could ask your lawyer, what's your general belief of the law? How would you anticipate attacking a case like this? And there's a lot of different forks in the road depending on what the adversary does, but
what's your strategy?
What does a roadmap going forward look like? And we're going to gather information. We are going to know more about the case. We're going to know what the other side knows. We're going to see what their position is. We're going to become aggressive up front. We're going to make some legal decisions and legal strategies. And what are the potential scenarios without any promises? But if a lawyer can't say these are the 3 or 4 things that I might be doing for you, they probably don't know a whole lot about your situation.
And one thing I would like to point out is when someone asks the question, one thing I want to point out is, if someone's going to ask the very good question of why should I hire you? Well, when it's our office, they're talking to me, Jerry King, and I'm telling them why they should hire me, Jerry King. If Greg's talking to somebody, he's saying, this is why you should hire me, Greg Colavecchia. If Bob's talking to someone, he's saying, this is why you should hire me, Robert King. You're not going to meet with me and talk to me and have somebody you've never heard of handling your case. You're not going to have 3 different lawyers handling your case. I will be the one that's handling your case if I tell you I'm the one that's going to be handling your case. You're going to talk to me, meet with me, be represented by me, and I'm going to be at court with you. And that goes for the other attorneys in our office.
Yeah, I think that's one of the big differences for our office. I think that's one of the big differences between King Law and some of the other personal injury firms. I just had a call yesterday. Someone had called one of the TV law firms at first, and I don't think they were particularly comfortable.
I love how you called it a TV law firm. Sorry.
And they said, what's the difference between you and these other people who I see on TV all the time? I said, well, you just called up King Law, and my name's Robert King, and I was walking by the phone, and it rang, and I answered, and my team, this will be my case, my team, our paralegals will work on your case. You call the TV law firm, they got a bunch of lawyers. Some of them are pretty good, some of them are better than others. I think they go on a wheel, and one day, if you call on Monday, you get Frank. If you call on Tuesday, you get John. If you call on Wednesday, you get Miranda. I think that's a big difference.
Right.
You call us, you get us.